Hello, this is a touchscreen controlled compression testing machine of 2000 kN capacity manufactured by Divine International Techcraft, New Delhi, India. This is a semi automatic CTM with manual pace rate control. This is a plate type machine. It has a speed regulator that can be moved forward or backward to increase or decrease the speed. The speed or rate of loading or pace rate can be fine tuned by rotating the same speed regulator. The second regulator is to control the oil release. This is an on off switch which the machine can be turned on or off, and the machine can also be turned on and off using the touch screen. There is an emergency switch to stop or restart the machine. This machine can perform compression and flexure test. We select compression for testing the cubes and we select flexure test for testing the beams. There is a get in touch screen where you can enter the details of your company or testing facility. We will now see how the compression test works. The screen shows 4 touch keys of settings, test screen, calibration and test result. We go into settings. Under setting, we select the specimen type as cube. We can select the size of the cube. The area is calculated automatically. We can then enter the grade, weight and sample age. There is also an option to check the displacement of the piston if we connect an LVDT to the machine. We can choose the test time in seconds or minutes. You can enter a lab ID or details. This lab ID will be printed in the test report. We can set the reference pace rate. For example, in this test, we enter the reference pace rate as 5.25. We can set the maximum load to a desired value. In this case we have set it to 2000 kN. This field is password protected. This is the load at which the machine operates. We can enter the value of brake load manually. We then save the settings and move to the test screen. We reset the test screen to remove any previous test values. The test screen shows a test number that changes with every test. We also see the actual load, bar graph, actual pace rate, reference pace rate, test sign. We can also connect a USB pen drive and transfer the test data to it in Excel and PDF format. There is a start touch key to start the test. The test screen shows brake load in kN, stress load in megapascals, and stress load in kg per centimeter square. The test screen is also shows the real-time graph plotted between load and time. We now start the test. We start the loading using the regulator. We set the pace rate using fine tuning and bring it equal to the reference pace rate. The screen starts showing real-time graph. If we divide the displayed value of actual load by the displayed value of time, then we get the actual pace rate. The bar graph is green in color till the actual pace rate is less than the reference pace rate. The bar graph will become red in color if the actual pace rate becomes more than the reference pace rate. If it becomes red, then we can manually bring down the actual pace rate using the fine control of the pace rate regulator. Brake load in Kn, stress load in megapascals, and stress load in kg per centimeter square are being displayed on screen simultaneously. You can see the graph on the screen. We set the pace rate every time it becomes more than the reference value. The pumping unit and the load frame have been designed in such a way to enable better pace rate control. We wait for your inquiries and orders for this digital touchscreen controlled compression testing machine. Thank you for watching.